Join me as I dive into the world of NVAX stock and try to predict if it's about to explode. NVAX stock has been making waves lately, and I'm excited to break down what's driving the hype. Novavax, the company behind NVAX, has been working tirelessly to bring their COVID-19 vaccine, NVX CoV 2373, to market. With the ongoing pandemic, their vaccine has been in high demand, and the company has been ramping up production to meet that demand. One of the major challenges NVAX has faced is financial struggles. Developing and manufacturing vaccines is a costly business, and Novavax has had to invest heavily in research and development. They've also faced stiff competition from other vaccine manufacturers, such as Pfizer and Moderna, which have already established themselves in the market. Regulatory hurdles have also been a thorn in their side, with delays in approval and distribution. The company has had to navigate complex regulatory environments, particularly in the US and Europe, to get their vaccine approved for emergency use. On top of that, they've faced supply chain disruptions and manufacturing issues that have impacted their ability to deliver vaccines on time. These challenges have weighed heavily on NVAX stock, causing volatility in the market. Despite these challenges, Novavax has been working to strengthen its financial position and improve its manufacturing capabilities. They're also exploring new partnerships and collaborations to help drive growth. However, the road ahead won't be easy, and NVAX will need to continue to innovate and adapt to stay competitive. In terms of their business strategy, Novavax has been focused on expanding its product pipeline. They're working on a range of new vaccines, including ones for influenza and HIV. They're also exploring new technologies, such as mRNA-based vaccines, which could give them a competitive edge. Partnerships will be key to driving growth, and Novavax has already established relationships with several major pharmaceutical companies. These partnerships will help Novavax access new markets and leverage the expertise of its partners. For example, their partnership with AstraZeneca will help them expand their presence in Europe. Additionally, Novavax has been investing heavily in research and development, which could lead to breakthroughs in vaccine technology. The company has also been making progress on its product pipeline, with several new vaccines in development. One of the most promising areas of research is in the development of a vaccine for a range of infectious diseases. If successful, this could be a major game changer for NVAX stock. A pivotal moment for NVAX stock could come in the form of an FDA announcement. If the FDA approves NVAX CoV 2373 for full use, rather than just emergency use, it could be a major catalyst for growth. Additionally, any breakthroughs in research or development could also drive up the stock price. The FDA approval would be a significant milestone for Novavax, and it could pave the way for widespread adoption of their vaccine. This, in turn, could lead to a significant increase in revenue and a boost in NVAX stock. Furthermore, if NVAX can demonstrate the effectiveness of its vaccine against emerging variants, it could gain a competitive advantage over other vaccine manufacturers. In recent news, Novavax announced positive results from a clinical trial, which could be a major breakthrough for the company. This news could be a major driver of growth for NVAX stock, and investors are eagerly awaiting the FDA's decision on full approval. Recapping, we've discussed the challenges NVAX has faced, from financial struggles to regulatory hurdles. But we've also explored the latest developments in their business strategy, partnerships, and product pipeline. If you're bullish on NVAX stock, leave a comment below and let me know why. If you want to learn more about stock analysis, check out our video on the top stocks to watch in the pharmaceutical industry. I'd love to hear your thoughts on NVAX stock. Are you optimistic about its potential for growth?